Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unfollow people who don't follow you on Instagram. So let's say if this is my Instagram, okay, and so here is my Instagram and I want to follow somebody who don't follow me, right? So how I can do it? So first of all we will go into the Play Store, okay, and here we have to download a third-party app. So basically you can also do by manually going to your followers and just check whether who is following me or not. So it will take a lot of time if you have so much huge number of followers, right? So here is a third-party app where you can install it and they can do it on a few taps or in a few seconds, right? So this is the app which will help you. You have to first of all log in your account into this app, and after that they will tell you everything, whether who is following you or who is not following you, and your ghost followers and all that history, who followed you a lot time back, and there is a many more features you can see here, right? So this is pretty easy and they will do your job in a very easy manner and a very few minutes. So this is it guys. I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you did, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe channel. See you in the next video. Till the time, take care, goodbye.